It is time again for our monthly housing market update and question of the month. Gina Walton with the Walton home team of Keller Williams, and I hope you are all ready for this winter storm that is heading our way. Well, as we look at December of 2025, we're going to do a review to see how the end of the year 2024 compares to the end of the year for the housing market in Kansas City 2025. So in Kansas City overall, the number of homes sold or closed increased by 2.9%, and in Johnson County, we saw an increase by 10%. Now for price in Kansas City, we saw an increase of 6.8% with an increase of 5.4% in Johnson County. Inventory overall increased in Kansas City by 2.8%, giving us to a 2.2 month inventory, which lets us know the homes for sale compared to the number of buyers there are, how long our inventory would last. Anything under 3 months is still considered a seller's market. In Johnson County, we did see a decrease in inventory by 1%, leaving Johnson County at a 1.7 month inventory. For our question of the month, we have, if you've lived in your home for a while, are there any inspections that you should be considering doing or doing on an ongoing basis? There are, and here's some to consider. Termites live in the soil, and since we have wood frames, that's really an inspection that you want to do yearly just to see if they have decided to make your home also their home. And then radon is a gas that's prevalent in the Kansas City area that's under the ground, and so if you don't have a radon mitigation system already installed, that's something that you'll want to check every 2 to 5 years. If you've had any past water damage, you can do a mold inspection to make sure there's no unhealthy growth that's taken place from that occurrence. And then please just make sure to have your furnace and air conditioner serviced and cleaned so that those are inspected and healthy for you to make it through the winter. If you have any questions on who you would reach out to for those inspections or just in general want to stay in touch, it is always a pleasure to hear from you. We look forward to sharing in an incredible year ahead, both with home goals and also enjoying in Kansas City events together. Cheers!